and welcome to this week's Bake Off. We've reached America, which means there's only 4 more of these to go. To tell you the truth, I can't believe I've done 17 of these already. I thought I'd give up halfway through, but 4 to go. Let's do this. So we're in America this week and I'm keeping it simple with an American cheesecake. And the good news about this is there's absolutely no cooking involved whatsoever. Anyway, let's get cooking. The first thing you need to do is measure 175 grams of digestive biscuits, and I can tell you that 12 digestive biscuits weighs exactly 177 grams, so I don't think we're going to quibble about 2 grams. Put the digestive biscuits into a plastic bag, take your rolling pin and crush them up. Once your digestive biscuits are crushed, into a saucepan put 75 grams of butter and 40 grams of demerara sugar and then melt them gently over the heat. Once the butter and sugar have melted, pour in your crushed digestive biscuits and mix up. Spread them over the bottom of an 8-inch loose-bottomed flan tin or a springform tin, and then just leave them to set. Should take about 15 minutes. Whilst your base is setting, into a bowl add 225 grams of soft cream cheese and 25 grams of caster sugar. And then take your mixer, electric or manual, and beat them thoroughly. Next, add 150 grams of Greek yogurt and 150 milliliters of double cream, and then mix up. Finally, add the juice of 1½ lemons and mix thoroughly. Then simply put the topping on top of your biscuit base, cover and chill overnight in the fridge. Once the cheesecake has chilled overnight, take a knife and run it round the edge of the cake, and then lift the pan off, cut the cheesecake up and serve.